I'm Dr. Janina White from Harris County Public Health. As we conclude our first week of November and begin to think about holiday activities with family and friends, we must make sure our plans include ways to gather safely. Reports from around the world are showing significant increases in the number of COVID-19 cases, and that is a reminder for us to remain focused on keeping ourselves and our loved ones safe from COVID-19, especially over the holiday season. Closer to home in Harris County, including the city of Houston, only one of the 5 COVID-19 risk level indicators were met in the last week. This means the COVID-19 data in our area shows that we are heading in the opposite direction of where we would like to be. This is why our county is still operating under COVID-19 Level 1 Red, and we encourage you to consider keeping all of the precautions that we have developed over the past few months. Wear a mask, wash your hands, and watch your distance from others when you are out in public. You can follow all of our COVID-19 case counts by visiting our interactive dashboard. This tool displays the number of confirmed cases, recovered cases, and deaths associated with this virus. You can also view the number of COVID-19 tests we have administered each day, as well as how many have tested positive. Speaking of the COVID-19 test, we, along with our partner agencies, are still offering free tests to Harris County residents. You do not need to have any symptoms, but just want to know for your own peace of mind if you test positive or not. You can register by simply logging on to hcphtx.org. Or if you do not have access to the internet, you can call 832-927-7575, and one of our intake specialists will assist you. You can also find a list of weekly testing sites by visiting www.covidcheck.hctx.net. Remember, the tests are free and the results are fast. We all know by now that this virus affects people differently. Some people are at higher risk for COVID-19 and may become severely ill, while others may have very mild symptoms or no symptoms at all. Recently, the Mayo Clinic developed a program for COVID-19 survivors who have longer recovery periods, greater than 4 weeks after being infected. These people often experience tiredness, headaches, difficulty concentrating for weeks or even months after infection. We are highlighting this program to emphasize the fact that we are still learning about COVID-19 daily. While a person might eventually recover from coronavirus, the journey back to optimal health might be difficult and long. It's much easier to prevent being infected by following all the precautions mentioned earlier than it is to recover from the illness. Thank you for joining us for Harris County Public Health's Week in Review. Be safe, be COVID-19 conscious, and remember our motto, don't guess, take the test.